Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Educator, the Honorable all judges, the Honorable all of us, and very firstly, I want to introduce myself. My complete name is Antonius Putra Yangkormase. You can call me Putra. I'm the third student of SMA Seminary Saint Julius Langgur. Now I have 10 as affirmative team or government team. This motion today is we talk about this house belief that educational institution should be mastering the technology of society 5.0. Okay, firstly, before I come into my argument about this motion, I want to give the definition about this motion. In this motion, I get three keywords. Firstly is I got three keywords. That is society 5.0, technology, and one is educational institution. Next, firstly, I want to explain my definition about first keywords. That is educational institution. Educational institution is one of institution in Indonesia that have to handle all education. Firstly, from the base education, kindergarten, until the last of education. Now the second is technology. Technology is scientific knowledge in particular ways in industry. For example, design new machines. And the third is society 5.0. Society 5.0 is the people who are living in contemporary era now. The whole definition about this motion is educational institution should mastering the technology in term of society 5.0 and 5.0. The whole definition is educational institution should use the technology like we know that now is AI, artificial intelligence, of Internet of Things, and robotica. But today I strongly agree with this motion about this house believe that educational institution should mastering the technology in terms of society 5.0. Why? Because I think that's so important in this era. We can use the technology to develop students' capability. You know that average students when they were born, they can have a capability in their life. So the first thing I want to say that I strongly support the government in this motion because they can use the technology to help all students in our country. Like when the students have learned at the school with their teachers, but they haven't understand yet. When they back to home, they can use the technology information to search and by it they can use it to learn more about their learning. So I think that that's so important. The second is uh, by the technology, students can develop their creativity and artificial thinking, also collaboration. Why I say that? Because when you use the technology, Internet of Things, they can make it to search what they didn't have known. So uh, by the technology, they can know another country, and also they can have to learn about how to use the technology, because we can see that now technology is so important. When we have to looking for our jobs, the firstly we have to know English language and also technology information. So in this case, I strongly support the government. The third point of this motion is students and teachers can learn together by the application who in that gadget, not gadget also, but computer, laptop, etc. Uh, yes. So when they have a holiday and they want to learning together, so they can use the application like Zoom meeting together in some room, and the teachers give uh, can teach them. So I think that it can be increase their brain and also their thinking, their capability of his or of her capability. Next one, the fourth, my argument is by the technology now in society 5.0, every people can teach from videos like from YouTube, etc., and it can show the tutorial to them. And thank you from this argument together. Thank you very much. Next, I want to